I'm going to be talking about the Tom's of Maine, another Tom's product, but it's going to be about the mouthwash. Wicked fresh, fluoride free, SLS free, alcohol free, cool mountain mint. Alright, so my main concern of why I bought this mouthwash is because I wanted to kind of, get the double product. Like if you use one product of the brand and you want to follow up with the other product, afterwards, feeling all fancy like, and that was alcohol free. I guess I was kind of tired of the burn. I don't know. I guess I don't know. Anyway, I kind of wanted something alcohol free too. So, and something natural. So I gone ahead and purchased this. I love it. I've been using this for as long as I've been using the toothpaste for like over some months now. And you talk about double fresh. Oh my goodness, baby. Yeah, I love it, as you can tell. The only thing about this is that it kind of, like, you feel the mint, but I mean, you really feel it. Like, you kind of feel like your breath is kind of like sucked up with. It's making sure like there's nothing in your mouth, but just mintiness that's kind of like not necessarily dry, but it's like you don't have any saliva anymore, if that makes sense. But overall, I do like it. It kind of gives it that extra minty feel that I absolutely love. I was gonna purchase some other kind, but I was like, let me go ahead and do this because it has the cool mouth mint to it. And again, I bought it because it's natural. Okay, so the ingredients is pretty much the same as a toothpaste. The only thing that's pretty much different is that it has ingredient that's derived from corn, organic olive, will have that soothing feel. Okay, has Brazilian corn oil and then a pH adjuster with salt water in it. So that's pretty much only the difference. It is clear, as you can see. I like it that it put in this bottle. And see, there's no animal testing and all that good stuff on the back. Oh, it's gluten-free too. Oh, look at that. For people that don't want no gluten, there it is. There it is. Okay, I did say I was gonna kind of give like the rundown story about Tom and how they came about. But him, I believe his wife named Kate. Let me make sure I'm like knowing what the heck I'm talking about. Okay, so Tom is the creator, man behind it, and his wife Kate, they moved to Maine from Philadelphia in 1968, looking for a healthier, simpler life for their growing family. Okay, so, and it was pretty much on like a natural journey or streak or going naturally, whatever, feels right for you, as far as like using things natural, unprocessed stuff, chemicals that's not good for you. What they did was they found labels listed with like artificial flavors, fragrances, sweeteners, colors, and preservatives, and all that stuff where you just kind of throw up your hands, So they decided to create their own, pretty much like that. They got help from a loan. Well, got help from a loan. Yup. They got help of a $5,000 loan from their friend. And then Tom's of Maine was born. And they just started using like different products as far as like not just with toothpaste, but there's things with lotion, there's things with baby care. I mean, I'm guessing this is like later on. Like they just kind of pretty much just want to get, you know, the toothpaste and stuff established first to see how that was gonna do, and you know, just kind of experiment on how it's gonna be. And they pretty much wanted to like give back, you know, to the community, but like in a healthier and non-artificial way, if that makes sense. So they were like doing like meaningful ways, you know, to care for the planet and the communities, which is another win. You know, you can't go wrong with that. But they've been in business for a long time, you know, 1968. So they're doing amazing. They're doing good. And then you have a woman by your side. That helps. That, you know, is a good win. Okay, just making sure I know what I'm talking about. But you can also look online, you know, with Tom's toothpaste and products and stuff like that, and to hear like other people's stories, or to hear like other people what they've used and their experiences with Tom's products. I mean, so far I'm not complaining at all. So again, the Toms of Maine, fluoride free, wicked fresh. And again, like I was saying with the toothpaste, you can also do like further research on ingredients just in case, if you want to like, okay, I see it on this, but I want to know exactly what else it's about and what it is. Okay, so yeah.